Hey everyone! In this quick video tutorial, I'll show you how to disable secure storage on Messenger for end-to-end encrypted chats. Make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Secure storage is a feature that safeguards your end-to-end encrypted chat history by storing it on a remote server. This allows you to access your chats from different devices, even if you lose your phone or reinstall the app. However, turning off secure storage will erase all your encrypted chat history from the server, meaning you can only access your chats on the device where you disabled it. You can still use end-to-end encryption without secure storage, but you won't be able to access your history across multiple devices. If you want to enhance your privacy settings, turning off secure storage might be the right choice for you. To disable secure storage on Messenger, start by opening the app on your mobile device. Tap the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner, then select the settings icon. Next, scroll down to tap on Privacy and Safety, and locate the end-to-end encrypted chat section. Here, find and select Secure Storage. Scroll down to Manage Secure Storage and choose to turn it off. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Tap on Continue. If you want to completely remove secure storage, tap on Delete Secure Storage, then confirm by tapping Continue to finish. You've successfully turned off secure storage on Messenger. Remember, it's important to understand what this means for your chat history. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.